This brand is from Rheem Manufacturing, which is a part of the Paloma Group. The brand is made in Mexico and is only available through authorized dealers in the USA and Canada. The brand features TXV refrigerant controls and all-aluminum coil construction which resists corrosion, but their guarantee is only average when compared to other brands. The Versus Line WH1PZ models are basic single-stage air handlers with PSC blower motors, while the WB2TZ models are for two-stage operation and feature constant torque blower motors. The WH3VZ models feature variable speed blower motors with TXV refrigerant controls and 3 stages of operation. The warranty on this brand does not include air handler replacement in case of coil failure, and it is only average when compared to the other brands, but they are less expensive than the other brands from Rheem Manufacturing. This brand receives an overall 3-star budget pick rating from HvacRepairGuy.